Hi! In this video I want to show you how you can do a quick analysis with Innofalls Charts by utilizing its unique features. And well, we'll do this in reading view, but first we are going into edit mode to set up our chart with the right data. So we are adding the date, we are adding revenue, and we're adding product at the bottom as well. Our dimensions are in German, or well, the date is in German. So this is year, quarter, month, and day. We don't need day, so remove it. And yeah, that's it. What we are doing in our edit mode, we're heading back to reading view, save, and that's all we have to do to set up our chart. Okay. Well, let's dive into our data. So we see our revenue that's made up of 2021 and 2022. And we want to analyze our current year. Well, we are in 2024, but well, let's assume we are in 2022. So up here you see our drill down history, which displays all values. We drilled down into 2022. Well, we can change it to 2021, but right now we want to focus on 2022. So we see our quarters 1 to 4 that add up to our yearly revenue. And well, if we see those values, we see, okay, quarter 4 was a little bit weaker than the other ones. So what we can do now is, in our drill down history, you want to compare 2022 with the previous year, 2021. How can we do this? It's pretty simple. We click this little button here, which toggles the deviation. So I've just clicked this button. Now you see a little icon indicating that we are comparing with this one. And you see we've added a little deviation or variance chart, as some call them, between 2021 and our currently selected year. And immediately we see, well, we did quite well in the first 3 quarters. We increased our revenue, but on the 4th quarter, well, we had a decrease. And I'd like to have a look what was happening there. So I could do a drill down, but instead I'm going to expand quarter 4 now. And we see October, November, December that are adding up to our quarter 4. And the deviation chart above shows, well, November, December weren't too bad compared to October. October was, well, much worse. So this almost makes up all our decrease in quarter 4. So what's happening here? I'll do a drill down into quarter 4 now to have the data in more detail. And now I'm expanding October to see what was happening here. And well, there we have our little bugger. Consulting was very weak, or almost no revenue, and a large decrease compared to our previous year. So well, that's interesting to know. So maybe I should dive deeper into this somewhere else in my report, like have a drill through now or something like this. Well, that's it for now. This is how you can do a quick analysis with Innofalls Charts in reading view. Just want to emphasize this again. We don't have to be in an editor for this. We can do this as a viewer every time. Thanks for watching. Bye.